Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create Payhip coupons. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the top side of the screen we have products, store, analytics, marketing, customers. We have your account and all about your profile. In the middle of the screen, we have your store essentials, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create Payhip coupons. So first of all, you need to go to Payhip, as I told you, and go to marketing, which is in the top side of the screen. And here, as you can see, the fifth tab. Then click on add coupon code, as you can see here. And then choose the product you want to apply the coupon. You can also make the coupon applicable to all products. Fill in the details such as coupon code, discount type. Then optionally set the limit on the number of times the coupon can be used. Once all details are filled in, click create coupon now. And your coupon will be created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.